In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conversations in Smartsheet. Conversations are a great way to keep all your project communication tied directly to the work it's about, instead of buried in long email threads. Let's walk through how to access and use them inside a typical project sheet. First, open your project sheet in Smartsheet. In this example, we're working in a sheet called Project Sheet on smartsheet.com. Make sure you're in the grid view so you can clearly see all your rows and columns. Next, locate the specific task you want to discuss. Here, we're going to focus on a task called Website Redesign Phase 1. Click on that row to select it. Selecting the row helps Smartsheet understand which piece of work your conversation should be attached to, so your comments stay organized and relevant. Now look toward the left edge of the row or in the row details area, depending on your Smartsheet layout. You'll see the conversations or comments icon highlighted on the screen. Click on that highlight to open the Conversations panel for this row. If the panel opens on the right-hand side of your screen, that's exactly where you want to be. If you see an option like All Rows or a filter at the top of the Conversations panel, click on that. This lets you view conversations for all rows if needed, or stay focused on just the current row. For this walkthrough, we're staying on the row for Website Redesign Phase 1. But knowing where this control is will help you switch views later. You'll notice several highlighted areas in the panel, one for starting a new comment, others for viewing existing threads or switching between different types of activity. Click on the highlighted area where you can start typing. This is your message box for the current row's conversation. In the example, we select a user mention, then click on the account name shown in the highlights. Typing the @ symbol followed by a name will let you mention someone directly, so they're notified about your comment. Here, the script shows clicking on a test account, but in your case, you'll pick the teammate you need to reach. Finally, place your cursor in the message field and type your comment in the highlighted area. When you're happy with it, post the comment. Your message is now attached directly to that task, making it easy for everyone to see context, ask questions, and keep the discussion in one place.